Hey guys, Rohin here, and finally I got my Pixel 2 XL, the Panda version, and I waited for like 1.5 months to get this, and it was delayed by 15 days by Flipkart. But finally I have it, and so this is the unboxing. So let's just open this box, which I have already cut the tape, and in this card box I have this. So we have this. I'll just put it aside, and so we have this Pixel 2 XL box bubble wrap. I'll just open this up, and yeah, this is the actual unboxing. You can see. I'll have to cut it, I guess. Let me just remove the tapes, and yeah. So now we have removed the bubble wraps, and here's the Pixel 2 XL box. In the Panda version, it looks great. The box looks great, and here we have the red Team Pixel logo. And okay, I didn't know this. So okay, I was not aware of this offer actually. So it says Airtel 120 GB free data. So that's great. I know most of the people have Jio nowadays, but still I think it's great to get the 120 GB free data with the phone. And as a matter of fact, I do have Airtel SIM, so it's good. And let's just remove this packaging now, which I'm very bad at, so yeah, let's just try. Yep. So I'm really very excited. I haven't as you can see, I just opened the box, so I haven't seen the phones. So this is my actual reaction to the phone, you can say. So let's just see how it goes, and here it comes. Okay, let's put this aside, and the color is beautiful. Let me just take this out. So here we have the Panda version. It looks good, right? And it's not that big actually. I was actually thinking it might be quite big because my previous phone was 5 inches and this is 6 inches. But actually it feels very comfortable in hand, so that's good. So let's just see what else is there in the box, and then we'll get back to the phone. And the phone cover, and we have yay, welcome to the Team Pixel card. And inside that we would be having some other things, I guess. So let me just remove it and see. Okay, and we have the SIM ejector with this, and let's get started. Be safe and other things. I'll just put them aside. So yeah, and the next thing we have is the normal USB to USB-C dongle, you can say, to transfer your data, I guess, through normal USB-C cable, and I'll put that aside. And then we have the charger cable, which is actually USB-C to USB-C. So as a matter of fact, you cannot connect with this cable to your normal USB port from your phone. So let's see how I'll be handling that. And yeah, so this is the most interesting thing I would say, because we don't have a headphone jack in the phone. So we have the dongle, 3.5mm jack dongle here. Put that aside, and we have the power brick, which is, if I'm not wrong, it is 20 watts. Yep, yeah, somewhere around there. So yeah, so we have the power brick here, and I'll just put that also aside. So I think that's it for the box itself. So that's all that we have here. I'll just put those things back in, and I'll just put them aside for the time being. Let's get back to the phone. So this looks beautiful, I must say, and let's just open this. So here it is, and okay, and I'll just put this aside. Wow, can you see this? This looks beautiful, and even more beautiful at the back. This looks seriously beautiful, and the coating, the plastic coating or the matte coating, you would say, that feels really nice actually. It is quite smooth and it is rigid actually. It's not slippery, I would say. that's good. Fingerprint sensor at the back looks awesome. And just look at the orange button. Seriously, I mean, this is amazing. It looks so beautiful. This is really beautiful. So, and the glass itself actually curves. It's not the screen that curves, but the glass actually. The glass itself curves on the front, and we have the neon, the orange power button, and the big camera here at the back. So I think this looks really good, and as you can see, it fits well in my hand. So it's really nice, and yeah. So that's it, and let me just boot this up. I'll just start it. The volume buttons are quite clicky actually. That's good. So we have the Google logo of the boot up. I must say the side bezels are big. It is bigger than I expected. It's somewhat weird, but yeah, let's see how I'll see that. And the blue shift is there. Okay, I was not expecting it to be this much. Okay, I don't think I will be noticing it that much, but let's see about it. I'm really curious how I am going to handle this, but let's see. Okay, it's really blue. I was thinking that people are like making it up, but it's not like that. It is blue. Okay. So let's see. I'll just select my languages: English, India. Start. Connect to mobile network. The same. I'll just skip that part and see other things. Yeah. So I think it's all set up, and yeah, so that's it for the unboxing, and I think it looks really good. The front is really good. Even the front is good, and the back is really beautiful. The side bezels are big, but I don't think I'm going to notice them that much. Let's see about that. And yeah, the blue shift is there. I can say that. No, it is really blue. It is really blue. But yeah, in like head on it's white, like that it's blue. So let's see what happens, how it goes. But it looks beautiful. The front is beautiful and the back is gorgeous. Seriously. So yeah, thank you for watching, and hope to see you guys in the next one. Yeah, bye.